Hello, this is Tamara with Pixie Dust Designs, and I am so excited to show you these adorable little treat bags called Panda Love Bags. And these are from Pixie Dust Designs. I love how this comes together. So easy and, most importantly, so cute. Too cute. I love how Pixie Dust Designs has your dies are this beautiful shade of purple. So it stands out. It's so easy to find on your desk and very, very user friendly. I'm going to create two of these cute little bags today. I'm going to do the panda, and in addition, I was inspired to do a raccoon. So I started with the eyes for the raccoon and I glued them on white cardstock just so they had time to dry. And then I moved to the little squiggly cues, the little wobblers that are going to go on top of my headband here in just a moment. So I had silver metallic cardstock that I cut out to be the springs. And then I glued the little heart dies on top. And I'm going to do four of these, two for each of my little critters, and set those aside to dry. This design came together so easy and were absolutely so adorable. As I was creating these, I was thinking of all the fun little critters that this would make, such as koala bears, cats. You could even do like a little lion out of the little heads. So cute. I loved it. Absolutely love it. So after I was done with the little squiggly cues that are going to go on top of my headband, I then started with the feet. So I cut the feet from black cardstock and then I glued the black outline to the black. And what this does is it creates this beautiful, like little holes. So I know where I'm going to put the little toes or toe beans, as my daughter calls them. So it's so easy to line up. So you cannot get this wrong. So here I am putting my feet together, and there again is going to be four of them because I am doing two little critters, and I'm going to let it dry. See how easy it just lines right up? I love how Pixie Dust Designs thought of this. I'm all about simplicity. When I'm creating, I want something that it's easy to follow and you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure it out. Love it. I did find that using my reverse tweezers came in so handy putting the little feet and paws together. You'll see that those little pieces are kind of tiny there. Again, my daughter calls them the toe beans, but the bottom, the pads of the feet is what I'm referring to. So using the reverse tweezers, it made it very easy just to pop in place. You can use the point of the tweezers to put the very small dots in, and then the tweezer part, the clip part, to put the actual base in. And you'll see that's actually what I do here. So it goes in very seamless. And on to the next foot. As I am creating this, I would love to know what other animals or critters you feel you can make with this die set. I would love to see your designs, so please tag us at Pixie Dust Designs with your creations using this die set. And again, the die set is called Panda Love Bag. See how those reverse tweezers make this job so much easier? Love it. So now, onto the face. And this comes together very, very easy. So it's kind of challenging for you to see on camera, but when I die cut the face out, there's these little impressions that the die makes. So it's so easy to line up the eyes, the nose and mouth, the hair, as well as the ears. So everything lines up so seamless and just comes together perfectly. And it's like in the blink of an eye, I have a panda. So cute. I love these adorable little facial features. It just makes this so adorable. And again, you can see where the reverse tweezers just make this very easy to line up versus just doing it with my fingers. So now that I have my face all put together and all the facial features are so cute, I'm going to work on the headband next. So I decided to do the headband out of red, but any color would work. And I'm trying to figure out, do I want to put the little squiggly cues on first or put my headband on my panda first? Well, you actually want to do the headband on the panda first so that you can line it up in between the ears so you know exactly where to put your little heart springs. This came together very easy here. And again, I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to hold those in place for just a couple seconds as I start working on my raccoon. So as you can see, my raccoon is also done. And the biggest difference that I did with the raccoon is I just cut the ears into like a triangle versus having them more of a circle shape. So that's just pretty much the only difference there. But again, I feel like there's many little critters you can make with this die set. So now I'm going to start with the bag, and I chose a black and white polka dotted bag to go with my panda, and a light gray floral paper to go with my raccoon. The bag comes together so easy. So there's like these little score lines. All you do is have to crease where the scores are. They're already there for you. And then you just glue the pieces together. Easy peasy. I feel as if the little critters, you could, yes, they're cute on the bag, but you could also just use them on a card. So maybe like a children's birthday card or maybe just a fun card to brighten somebody's day. Maybe make it into a wobbler or something like that. So cute. So my bag is coming together perfectly. And again, reverse tweezers to the rescue. It just holds that glue while it dries. But look how easy and cute these little bags are. Perfect to put maybe some little Skittles or Hershey Kisses in for your little ones or maybe even your big ones. Very, very easy to make. After my glue has set, I want to put together my little critters. I noticed there that I had cut a little too far into my raccoon's ears, or the one ear rather, and wanted to just secure that a little bit more firmer there. But once I have my little bags together, I'm gonna assemble everything. And you'll see it comes together rather quickly. I think the longest thing for me was just waiting for the glue to dry. So, what's that, 40 seconds, 50 seconds maybe for my glue to dry? That's probably the longest part of this. I started with my paws, and I found that to be the easiest to lay that first. And then I wasn't sure where to lay it at, so I went to the head next, and then to the other set of paws, just so could line everything up perfectly. And you can actually see where the head is supposed to line up because it kind of curves in. Again, hold it with your reverse tweezers so it lines up perfectly and will shut perfectly as well. Look how cute these little bags are. That would be so great for maybe like a children's school, just for like little treats or something. Really, really adorable. Once my head has dried, I'm going to put the other paws on. Now I know where they line up because I can follow with the head. And the head keeps popping up a little bit, partly because of the weight of the cardstock that I used. So, what I end up doing is taking a little glue dot and putting it under my panda's head so that it will stay shut. And you'll see that this works perfectly. How cute are these? Too cute, right? Let me know which is your favorite, the raccoon or the panda, or if you would create a different one. Thank you so much for watching us today. And I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, keep on crafting.